In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send backward in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you're working with shapes, pictures, icons, smart art, or text boxes. This feature is useful anytime you have objects overlapping each other and you want to control which one appears in front and which one appears behind. The Send Backward feature changes the stacking order of objects. In simple terms, it lets you move one object behind another object without actually changing its location on the worksheet. So the item stays in the same spot, but its visual layer changes. This is especially helpful when you're designing dashboards, reports, title pages, or any worksheet that includes graphics and text. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine your worksheet contains a blue rectangle being used as a background, a company logo placed on top of it, and a text box with the title Sales Report. In this case, you might want the logo to sit behind the title so the text stays easy to read, while still keeping the logo in front of the blue rectangle. That's exactly where Send Backward becomes useful. The recommended way to do this is by using the Send Backward command. First, click to select the object you want to move. This could be a shape, an image, or a text box. Once it's selected, look at the ribbon at the top of Excel. Depending on the type of object you clicked, go to the Shape Format, Picture Format, or Graphics Format tab. Next, find the Arrange group. In that section, click Send Backward. When you open that option, you'll usually see two choices. The first is Send Backward, which moves the selected object back by just one layer. This is the best option when you want to make a small adjustment and place the object behind only the item directly above it. The second option is Send to Back. This sends the object behind all the other overlapping objects at once. That's useful when you want something, like a colored background shape, to sit underneath everything else on the worksheet. After you choose the option you need, the selected object will move behind the other overlapping objects accordingly. If the result isn't quite right, simply use the command again until the object is in the correct position. A helpful tip is to click carefully and confirm you've selected the correct object before changing its order, especially when multiple items overlap closely. Once you get comfortable with stacking order, it becomes much easier to create clean, professional-looking Excel layouts.